Hello, I understand you're dealing with the E15 code on Bosch Dishwasher, and that can be quite concerning. This error usually indicates that your dishwasher has detected a water leak, triggering a safety mechanism designed to prevent flooding. Let's walk through what this means and how you can troubleshoot the problem. When you see the E15 code on Bosch Dishwasher, it's essentially your appliance's way of saying, "I've found water where I shouldn't." The first step is to unplug the dishwasher for safety. Once it's powered down, take a look inside the machine. Check for any visible leaks or water pooling at the bottom of the appliance. If there's water present, you'll need to address that first. One common culprit for the E15 code on Bosch Dishwasher is the door seal. Over time, the rubber gasket can wear out or become damaged, leading to leaks. Inspect the door seal for any cracks, tears, or debris. If it looks worn, replacing it can often resolve the issue. Another area to check is the hoses and connections. Look for any loose fittings or damaged hoses that might be allowing water to escape. If you find any issues, tightening the connections or replacing the hoses can help eliminate leaks and clear the E15 code on Bosch Dishwasher. Additionally, the filter and spray arms should be examined. Food particles or debris can clog these parts, causing water to back up and trigger the error. Make sure to clean the filter and spray arms thoroughly to ensure proper drainage and function. If you've addressed these potential problems and the E15 code on Bosch Dishwasher still appears, it might be time to call in a professional. Sometimes the issue can stem from internal components like the float switch or the water inlet valve, which require specialized tools and knowledge to fix. In summary, the E15 code on Bosch Dishwasher is a signal that something isn't right with your appliance. By carefully inspecting the door seal, hoses, and internal components, you can often identify the source of the leak. Remember, timely intervention can save you from more extensive repairs down the line. If you continue to have trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to a qualified technician. I hope this helps, and you're back to enjoying hassle-free dishwashing soon.